Good morning, and so we reach the middle of the week, and it is therefore of course time to do our celebration assembly, and I'm delighted to say that this week we have a lot of commendations to hand out in recognition of all the wonderful work that you are doing at home. So congratulations to you all. I remain mightily impressed with the vigour in which you are going about your online learning. Of course, we have a number of children back at school now, also working extremely hard. So without further ado, commendations this week are awarded to the following. In preschool, Shiv M for excellent work in maths and literacy. Isa R for fantastic progress in phonics. Balvir H, excellent progress in maths and phonics. In reception we have commendations for Edward P, excellent independent work, very well done to you. Aram U for maths, and Yifan C for a beautiful treasure map, very well done. In year 1, Ayan H for a wonderful poem, very well done to you Ayan. Jaden B for creativity, and Ryan M for working consistently hard. In year 2 we have commendations for Jdev M, who produced this most magnificent newspaper, and in this magnificent newspaper, in which I understand his sister helped him out a little bit, his sister is in nursery, we've done some proper writing. Do you remember the days of proper writing? And I have to say, Jdev, your presentation is absolutely wonderful. A fantastic newspaper telling us all about COVID-19. So very well done to you. Hussein W gets a commendation for his handwriting. Etan M for the geography quiz. Jacob S for the geography quiz, and Kyan M for the geography quiz also. Also in year 2, commendations go to Jefferson M for reading, Aranveer G for English, very well done, and Arjun D for some fantastic maths work, which I saw myself, working extremely hard on that, Arjun, very well done to you. In year 3, commendations go to Thomas B for history, Avigna G for maths, and Joanne M for consistently working hard. In year 4 we have commendations for Thomas T for science, a wonderful bug project that a lot of the children have been doing, and we have his wonderful bug project here. Absolutely fantastic that is, so well done to you. Owen W gets a commendation for maths. Peter H for great use of fronted adverbials. How about that? I think that comes under the heading of English, and for all you parents out there who perhaps have forgotten, I wouldn't say don't know, but perhaps have forgotten what a fronted adverbial is. It is of the type, before I ate my breakfast, I got dressed. And in that particular example, the before I ate my breakfast is the fronted adverbial phrase. So something there you can go out and about today with and impress all your friends and family. Also, Ahmed D, accomplished use of the frontal adverbial, so well done to you. And also Ahmed for maths. Rithik R, you get a commendation for maths, and Harnam K, you get a commendation for maths. In year 5, Aidan B, commendation for computing, Azar B for computing, Oliver T for science and music, and then some English commendations for fantastic diagrams of the death of Sir Charles Baskerville in The Hound of the Baskervilles. We drew diagrams of the yew alley at the back of Baskerville Hall, and some of these were absolutely magnificent. Yilin C gets a commendation for his diagram of the yew alley at Baskerville Hall. Otis L, you get a commendation for that. Johnny H, you get a commendation for that. And I think, Johnny, that's your second commendation in a week or two for English, so very well done. But also, Laith H, you get another commendation for English, the effort you are putting in, and in particular this diagram, absolutely magnificent to see, so very well done to you. And in Year 6, we have a commendation. This week it's going to Jawad M for an absolutely fantastic 125th card that he did for the school. This has clearly taken an awful lot of time and effort, so thank you very much and congratulations on your commendation. Now, before I finish this morning, I just want to say something else, and that is that one of our family will actually be leaving West House pretty shortly, when the family actually relocate as far away as New Zealand. And Alex in Year 5 will be joining the family on what can only be described as an extremely exciting adventure as Alex and his family enter the next chapter in their lives. And I want to take this opportunity to wish the family the very best indeed, and to say to Alex in particular, Alex is in Year 5, that Alex, you have been an absolute superstar and the embodiment of everything that this school stands for. Alex works hard, he is wonderfully polite, he is the most magnificently behaved boy that we have, and therefore, Alex, I say to you all the very best. But also, and this is your treat, you will in fact become officially the first old boy of our 125th year, with the Year 6s not yet departing. And so, Alex, in that capacity, wending its way to you is the first of the West House Old Boys Association 125th anniversary ties. This, at this moment in time, is the only one in existence, and you're getting it, Alex. Unlike the tie I awarded to Mr. Philp, this one has all the shields pointing the right way. It is not a prototype, it is what the Old Boys ties are going to look like. So I sincerely hope that in the years ahead you wear it with immense pride. So good luck and all the very best wishes to you and your family, and congratulations this morning to all those of you who have been awarded commendations. I remain mightily, mightily impressed by everything that you are doing. Well done.